Hi, in this video, we'll see how to build an advanced action plan using custom sections and action plan templates. When creating your action plan, you can group your tasks into sections by clicking the Division drop-down menu, then selecting Custom Sections at the bottom of the list. In this example, we're going to create 3 sections for the 3 departments involved in the action plan. Since each department has its own tasks to complete, we'll create tasks within each section. As explained in our previous video on creating a simple action plan, you can assign a task owner, dates, and an estimated workload to each task. In this case, we'll only enter a title for each task. Once the tasks have been created, click Submit. Your action plan is now ready to be used. Let's now look at the other options available to organize your action plans. Still in the Division menu, you can choose a phase template created by a platform administrator. A phase template is based on a methodological approach that structures your action plan into a sequence of phases that must be completed in a predefined order. For example, by selecting the DMAIC phase template, you'll find the 5 steps of this methodology. You can then add the tasks corresponding to each of these steps. Another option is to load an action plan template. An action plan template is a predefined list of tasks, optionally grouped into sections or organized using a phase template. Let's look at 2 examples. By applying the Food Traceability and Transparency Program template, we obtain an action plan made up of 14 tasks with no division. By applying the Food Traceability DMAIC template, we obtain an action plan structured according to the phases of the DMAIC methodology, with each phase containing predefined tasks. The different phase templates and action plan templates are defined by platform administrators in the Administration section. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and see you soon.